In this video, I'm going to show you where your grease filters are in your Frigidaire Gallery over-the-range microwave oven. And to start, underneath here, there are two filters. There's one right here and one on the other side. And to remove these, it's actually not up there very good. And I don't want to break this handle, so you don't want to really yank on this thing, but it goes this way towards you, like that, and it'll pop right out. And then you bring it down this way. And did you know that you can actually clean these? You can throw them in the dishwasher, or you could clean them with some mild dish detergent and warm water. You don't want to use anything abrasive on this, but if you happen to have to replace this, like I might do with this one, because that's not very good. There's wide open holes right there. These are the filters that came with the microwave. So if you had to replace them, this is exactly 5 1/8 by 7 5/8. So make sure when you're looking these up to get the proper size, and to replace it, goes in the same way, like this. Go up here first. There's a little track that you'll feel this go into, like that. Make sure all four corners go up in, and then you push it back this way, like that. And the one on the other side is the same exact thing. And there is actually one more, in case you didn't know. This right here will tell you there is a pure air filter right here. You push this, and a compartment opens up, and it even gives you a part number. I wouldn't recommend cleaning this one. I would just replace it. And this is an FRPA MRAF for the original filter. And to replace this one, all I'm going to do is at the top here, I'm just going to push in like that, and then I'm going to hold it straight and work it out like this. There's that filter. Now to reinstall this, if you look on each side of this compartment, there'll be these kind of tracks or walls that will help you guide this filter in. And then straight back in, behind the tabs on the top, and then push the bottom down, and it'll just kind of pop into place. So if you had to change or clean the filters in your Frigidaire Gallery microwave, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.